So there is a lot to be said about hauling your RV with you, because you know all the perks are you have your home with you. If you need to pull over, you can pull over and use the bathroom. You can eat a meal. You don't have to stop at restaurants. You don't have to sleep in a hotel.
Take a nap.
You can do all of those things. But then the drawbacks are traffic. Yeah, traffic.
That's okay. We're going to try to miss out on it.
But that's the payoff. That's the trade-off.
Yes.
Not the payoff. That's the trade-off. Traffic for having all those conveniences.
What's a trip to Florida without going to Disney World? Look at there. We are going back to the campground. He looks so thrilled, but he really is happy because it's one of the happiest places, apparently. I'm getting ready to take him to the water park, I hope, if we ever get to the campground. Look how excited he is about that. I think he would be more excited. I think he would be more excited if it was a little warmer out, but it's only in the 60s. I think we're gonna go for it. We'll see. If so,
I thought we were gonna go see alligators.
No, we're not. But we'll get back with y'all.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm riding on his ski lift up to Blizzard Beach at Disney World. And we're going up there to that mountain. This beats climbing stairs. So we'll wait in line for this.
No! No! What? No, I got it. What in the world? We're not supposed to be going backwards. No!
Oh, it's such a new way when you're going forward.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on to it. This is my, yes, it's only 67 degrees outside, but the water is warmer than the temperature. Ooh, oh, get ready.
I don't want to flip out. Tell me when we hit the splash.
You're getting ready to hit the splash.
I don't want to flip out backwards.
That's a total different experience going backwards, isn't it? Into the unknown.
Oh my gosh. That's so fun.
That was fun.
Yep, that was a lot of fun. What's next?
We're going to go to the purple side. Over there.
The purple side?
The purple slope. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it has some that do this and some that do this. But we don't want the ones that do this.
Okay.
Those have surpassed my age.
Where are you going?
To the rapids, I think.
To the what?
To the rapids.
Pretty cool.
It's dark in here.
It is. Oh yeah.
Now we gotta hope we can take the GoPro. Or else we're gonna have to walk it all the way back.
Yeah. I mean, I have a handle. I'm holding on to it. So. It's on. We're good.
Wait 1 second, guys.
Stay on your knees.
Okay, go ahead. Now you guys can lay down on your stomach. Ready? 1. On your mark. Get set. Go.
I think I won that match. You cold? It was. How you doing?
Good. Lazy River.
Lazy
Double
River.
tube.
Yeah.
Ooh. The water is rippling.
Double tube in the lazy river. Hey, having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that I'm all wet.
Now it's your wet. You're all wet.
The water is warmer than the air temperature, so
I know.
it actually doesn't feel
Sun
bad.
feels good though.
Sun feels good, and the water. I'm not ready to put my butt. These tubes are cold when you first get on them. The mats that you have to slide down on are freezing until you get in the water. The water's nice and warm. Go Disney.
Go Disney for 80 degree temperature water, right?
Especially when it's only like 65 outside. Yep, there was a cold front. Came down. This is the coldest day of the whole entire day that we're going to be here. And today's it. But, you know, apparently you get a free day at Blizzard Beach, well, whichever water park is open. This time of year, Blizzard Beach is open. So you get a free day on your check-in day. So you get a, so that's the only reason we came. I'm going to shut this off. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. You're going to have to...
You might get wet.
No.
I hope you don't get wet.
I don't want to get wet.
I hope it doesn't drizzle on you.
No, I've already... Oh, no, no, we're not. I'm going to get off and go all the way over here.
What?
Did you see that water spout out off that house right there? Yeah, that was right there. See?
Oh.
We gotta hurry.
I wonder if it's timed, how often it does
I
that.
don't know, but I'm...
You think it does it on people?
I don't know, but I'm getting us out of here. Don't do it on me.
I think it does it afterwards.
No,
Yes.
I don't think that's it.
Yes. See if it'll clip any of this. Well, it's been a fun day.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I'm so glad we came. Even if it was only for, what, 2.5 hours or 2 hours?
So what would you call that? Would you call that girl math, where you pay, you know, an arm and a leg for a campsite, and then you get free?
Yeah, that's girl math.
You get free.
Yeah.
You get free in the
You get a free water park.
water park because you paid an arm and a leg. So we're at Pizza. What's this place called?
I don't know.
Disney
I
Springs.
saw.
We're in Disney Springs. We got some pizza. Michelle said she was hungry for pizza, so we got her some pizza.
Wait, it's one piece, but it takes up 2 plates. I'm okay with it. I'm hungry. What do you want, hon?
Everything.
Where are we? The Mickey Mouse. No, we're at the M&M store. And he decides he wants everything. But he's not getting everything. I can't complain because I got
I found your
candy.
pillow. I found your pillow.
Call me. Yeah, you may call me Queen Bee. I agree.
And I found mine. What's it say?
Please don't make me do stuff.
The M&Ms were great, but my favorite was getting to spend time with my nephew, my niece, and my great nieces at the campfire sing-along.
Give a howl. Happy and you know it. Really want to show it. Happy and you know it. Give a howl. This is my favorite one right here. It's the roller coaster scream. Can y'all put your hands way up in the air just like that? If you showered today, if not, put them down. We actually lost some people. Happy and you know it. Give a scream. Happy and you know it. Give a scream. Happy and you know it. Really want to show it. Happy and you know it. Give a scream.
There she goes. She's off to get her onions.
I got an onion.
She's easily pleased.
I only want one. And I got a big one, so look at this puppy. Look at that onion.
Nice.
I never picked an onion before.
There you go.
Look at that baby.
You got an onion.
I don't know what you do with them after this, but we'll figure it out. Okay. Well, I'm picking strawberries. And they look pretty good. Look at the farm. It's amazing. Lots of strawberries. But right now, I'm just picking a few. Waiting on Bruce to get back. So he'll find me out here. So just enjoying the sunny weather, warm weather, and it feels so nice. I swear all of my cells in my body are just eating up all this vitamin D. So we will see what else we can find.
Florida produces about 240 million pounds of strawberries each year, primarily concentrated around Plant City. The production contributes significantly to the state's economy, with an impact exceeding $1.1 billion for Hillsborough County alone. So, what'd you get?
I got some onions and I got a few strawberries. And that's all I got.
Alright, so that wraps it up here at Southern Hill Farms. We picked a couple of onions and Michelle picked some strawberries. And now we're back in the truck. But she informed me that before we go back to the campground, she wants to go pick some citrus. So we're going to go to another farm and see if we can, or an orchard, and see if we can pick some citrus. They may have stopped picking, but I think their storefront may have some citrus for us. Anyway, that's what we're doing on this lazy day. It's a beautiful day though. I'll take this sun and vitamin D any day. I think it snowed at home yesterday. Oh, okay. Insane.
The world's largest, I don't even know what you call that, four-wheel vehicle. I'm not quite sure what they're going out there for though, because honestly it doesn't look like you need a 4x4 to get back there, but
I think they do a safari ride.
Oh. Said he thinks they do a safari ride.
But
I don't know. We're at a different farm, so.
I will say, this thing screams tourist.
Yes, it screams tourist. All we're here for is some oranges. That's
It was recommended.
Yeah, that's all we need. Some oranges. But look, you got a gorilla, you got a Bigfoot, you got some animals to pet. I don't want to pet no goats. I don't want to pet no animal. I don't even want to see an alligator. I just want some oranges. All I want, oranges.
That's all you want.
Yep, just want some fresh oranges. That's it. We're in Florida. That's what you're supposed to get here. So we'll see. We'll see what they have. We'll bring you along for the ride. How's that?
Look at her over there next to the gorilla. Hey, quit monkeying around. The area of mud or shallow water where mammals go to roll about or lie relaxed. It's called a wallow. And that's what you do when you wallow.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Perfect.
And we're gonna get a show. Wallow for us. Nope, we got that already.
I thought they said citrus, $2 a bushel. Let's look at that.
Huh?
Let's look over there.
Raining. Wet is raining.
I know, you'd like to be over here, wouldn't you? Really? What?
And we've come to the kangaroos, which is where the rooster has been.
Alright, so I'm curious. I'm curious to know if you like the vacations where we just go to one destination and that's what we do, or we do a vacation like we're doing this time where we have no plans, we just have one spot that we're at and we're just like free for all, just whatever grabs us, that's what we're doing. We're just, what is your preferred and what's your favorite?
Well, I like them both. That's what I'm going to say. I'm sticking to it. I like to just, sometimes it's good to have a specific place to go to, and then sometimes it's okay to not have a plan. And we didn't really have a plan. Our plan was to just get out of the cold. So, successful. It's not cold here. So, which one do you like better?
I like the ones where we can go to a destination and then go see some sights, but there's no traffic. No traffic. No traffic.
As he's sitting in traffic. I like it better when he doesn't have to deal with traffic either.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. It's free. And leave us a comment.